Hello everyone, thank you so much for joining us. I'm here to give you a quick tour about our virtual platform for all kind of events. Before we begin, request you to register so that you can access all information. We recommend you to log in half an hour before the event to get used to the platform. At the breakout room, you can hold closed discussion on exclusive topics, question and answers, polls, surveys, training programs, etc. Our platform also enables you to connect with your audience on the live screen.
Thank you very much, Sandy, for inviting me over on this platform. I'm really delighted to be a part of this platform. And yes, I'm live currently from my remote location. So yes, please ask me if there is any question. I'll be happy to answer all the questions.
Thank you very much for joining us, everyone. Welcome to the world of virtual events. We can turn the live events into virtual event with interactive live audience. Our immersive solution is with physical LED wall and floor combined with augmented reality environment, which can be fully customized as per your event. We have created pre-designed sets where you can present keynotes, video content for a hassle-free virtual event. Along with the virtual audience, you can invite your guest speaker on the screen to interact with the audience, followed by a Q&A sessions and polls with the live audience. Our services includes virtual event studio, VR meeting rooms, digital showrooms, event-based cloud services, geofencing, digital kiosk, projections and mapping, polls and surveys, holographic presentations, webinar, virtual live events, digital event consulting, interactive display stations, gamification, AR video content, virtual engagement, employee engagement, along with the services like event registration forms and ticketing, live polls, surveys and feedback, live chat sessions, contest, live question and answers, push notifications, social walls, and many more. We would be delighted to host your upcoming events virtually. Connect with us if you need more information about our products and services. Thank you so much for your time. We look forward to meet you soon.